Welcome to the deep dive. Today, you're going to kind of listen in. We're looking at a conversation between two people meeting for the first time.
Exactly. We get to hear about them, what they talk about. It's quite interesting.
Yeah, so let's set the scene a little. We have Alex, who's originally from London.
Right.
And Riley from Switzerland.
And Riley's there visiting Switzerland as a tourist. Alex actually works there.
Oh, okay. Alex works there. What do they do?
Alex is an English teacher there. Riley's the English teacher, my mistake. Alex is the tourist.
Ah, got it. Riley teaches English. Alex is visiting from London.
Correct. And they just start chatting, introducing themselves.
Yeah.
Alex says London, Riley says Switzerland.
And Riley mentions the teaching job straight away.
Pretty much. Yeah, says they've been teaching English for about 3 years now.
3 years, okay. Gives you a bit of an idea about them.
Definitely. And Alex asks about Switzerland.
Oh, yeah. What did Riley say?
Described it as, well, diverse, lots of different people, beautiful scenery.
Sounds lovely.
And peaceful, good weather.
Yeah.
Sounds like a really nice place.
So they're finding things out about each other pretty quickly.
Yeah, it flows quite naturally. They got to age 2. Alex is 30.
30, okay.
And married with 2 kids.
Wow, okay. And Riley?
Riley's younger, 25, and single.
Single, okay.
But apparently intends to get married, sometime in their 30s.
Right, planning ahead. Do they have siblings?
They do. Both have one sibling, actually.
Yeah.
Alex has a brother, Jack.
Jack, okay.
And Riley has a sister named Alina.
Alina. So quite a bit of personal info shared already.
Yeah, building that connection. And then the conversation shifted a bit.
Oh, yeah. To what?
Language learning.
I know.
This part's really useful, I think.
Okay. Who's learning what?
Well, Alex speaks several languages. English, of course, but also French, Spanish, and Arabic.
Wow, that's impressive. How?
Riley knows French and English, too. But Alex explained their method. It's quite practical.
Go on.
They start with just basic words and expressions, listening and reading simple things first.
Not diving into grammar rules right away.
Exactly. Avoids the complicated stuff initially. Alex mentioned understanding basic French in about 2 months this way.
2 months? That's fast. For basics, you mean?
Yeah, for the basics. Fluency, actually speaking it well, that took longer. And living there helped. Immersion.
Right. Immersion is key. Makes sense. How do they practice, pronunciation and understanding real people?
Good question. Alex listens to a lot of things. Videos, podcasts, documentaries.
Just general stuff.
Seems like it. Business, history, self-improvement podcasts were mentioned. Really listening to how native speakers sound.
That's a great tip for anyone learning. Just listen a lot.
Totally. Alex seems really dedicated. Said it takes about 6 to 9 months to get fluent.
6 to 9 months. Wow.
And they study about 3 hours every single day.
3 hours a day? That's commitment. What keeps them going?
Passion, they said. And patience. Just really enjoying the process.
That's really motivating. Okay, so languages. Did they talk about anything else?
Yeah. Travel came up.
Ah, travel. Alex, being the tourist there, probably likes to travel.
Definitely. Alex has been to nearly 12 countries.
12. Okay. Any highlights?
Mentioned being really impressed by Morocco and South Africa.
Wow, in Africa.
Yeah. And wants to see more of Africa and Asia, too.
Sounds like a real explorer. What about Riley? Does the English teacher travel much?
Interestingly, no. Riley's apparently never traveled outside Switzerland.
Oh, really?
Never.
Nope.
And Alex sort of encouraged them, saying how travel really, changes your perspective on the world.
That's so true. It broadens your horizons.
Exactly. And funny enough, this trip to Switzerland, it's Alex's first time there, too.
Oh, so a new experience for Alex as well, even though they travel a lot.
Precisely.
So wrapping this up then, listening to this chat, what's a key thing we noticed?
Well, how quickly 2 strangers can connect, right? Sharing about their lives, jobs, family.
Yeah, finding common ground.
And specifically, maybe the different ways people approach things like learning. Alex's language method is very, function first.
Focus on communicating.
Right. And also how experiences like travel, or maybe even just learning something new, can really shift how you see things. Alex's encouragement to Riley about travel really highlights that.
It definitely makes you think. Maybe about a language you've been meaning to learn, or perhaps a place you're curious about visiting.
Good question to ponder.
Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into their conversation.